Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Shash. Today is day 6 and I am solving invert binary tree. I will be moving on to the questions. So here I am given a binary tree and I have access to the root obviously, and what I have to do, I have to swap out its right and left children. So as you can see in the example, 2 and 7 get swapped out. But with their children obviously. 6 and 9 still is 7's children, but they also get swapped out. So I have already done the solution, and the solution that I have done, that is in O of n time complexity and O of 1 space complexity. I am not using any space. The constraints are only 100 nodes are there, and the node value really doesn't matter in Python, but for recursion we need a base condition, and I am using recursion here. So the base condition is obviously if the node doesn't exist, then we return nothing, and if the node exists, we swap out its children. Then is not present, that is root.left might be none, that will be automatically handled, that shouldn't be an issue. And then after that I am calling the doing the recursion and calling the same function on its children, both right node and left node. And after all the recursive calls are done, then I am returning the reverse children nodes to its subsequent upper call. This is how the recursion tree structure looks like, how the recursion call happens one after another. So what basically happens, so I will just take this. So from 4, it first swaps out its right and left children, right? 2 and 7 there was, but now it becomes 7 and 2, and then I am calling on right. So from 4, this one will be called first, and then from here this call will be made for the 2, the left node, because it is swapped out. After that the call is happening, that's why you are seeing this. First 7 is getting called, then 2 is getting called. Now for 2, if we take 2 have 1 and 3 children, so again first 3 will be called, then 1 will get called, and after this we will see that 3 and 1 doesn't have any children, so it hits the base condition and it returns nothing. So it returns nothing, and what happens is 3 as itself gets returned to 2, 3 and 2 gets returned to 2, and 2 is already swapped. Now it returns back to 4. So this is how the recursive tree structure looks like. I will just quickly point it out also. So first it goes down, then it comes up. So this is what happens.